Welcome back to the Avenue 7 Brand of the Week. I'm Wally Ordola, Creative Director from the Avenue 7. And today's brand, we're talking about one that often promotes unattainable standards. One brand that stands out for redefining beauty itself, and that's Dove.
Welcome to Brands of the Week. I'm Wally Ordola from the Avenue 7, and in this series, we explore what makes a brand great and why great brands matter. Join us as we dive into the stories, strategies, and successes behind the top brands that shape our world.
Dove, a brand by Unilever, has revolutionized the beauty industry with a bold and inclusive approach to branding. But what makes Dove's branding strategy so successful? And how can other businesses incorporate these principles? Let's talk about it. Dove's branding strategy is centered around authenticity and empowerment. They moved away from traditional beauty advertising and instead focused on celebrating real beauty and self-esteem. This strategy resonates deeply with consumers, making Dove not just a product, but a movement. We saw the cornerstone of Dove's success in the Real Beauty campaign launched 2004. This campaign features real women, not just models, showcasing a wider range of body types, ages, and ethnic backgrounds. By challenging the traditional norms of beauty, Dove has fostered a powerful emotional connection with their audience. Consumers see themselves in the advertisements, which builds trust and loyalty. You see, Dove extended their commitment beyond just advertising. Their self-esteem workshops and educational programs aim to boost confidence in people around the world. This not only reinforces their brand message, but also creates a positive social impact. Dove's strategy is effective because it's authentic. They aren't just talking about real beauty, they're actively promoting it and making a difference in people's lives. This authenticity is key in building a strong, relatable brand. So, how can other businesses incorporate Dove's successful branding strategy? Well, let's talk about these 3 key takeaways that we learned from Dove. Number 1, embrace authenticity. Show real people, real stories, and real experiences. Consumers are savvy and can detect inauthenticity a mile away. Number 2, create emotional connections. Build your brand around a cause or a message that resonates with your audience on a deeper level. And number 3, make a positive impact. Go beyond selling just a product. Engage in initiatives that make a difference in your community or industry. You see, Dove's commitment to authenticity, emotional connection, and positive impact has not only set them apart in the beauty industry, but also established them as a trusted and beloved brand globally. By incorporating these principles, any business can build a brand that is not only successful, but also meaningful. Follow Dove's lead and transform your brand into a force for good. Let's talk about some tactical marketing strategies you can implement. Number 1, we've all heard it for a reason. User-generated content, or UGC. Encourage your customers to share their own stories and experiences with your product. Create a campaign hashtag and feature their content on your platform. Number 2, community engagement. Host events, workshops, or webinars that align with your brand values. Engage with your community both online and offline to build strong relationships. And lastly, social media authenticity. Use social media to show behind the scenes content, employee stories, and customer testimonials. Keep the tone genuine and transparent. By incorporating these tactical strategies along with core principles from Dove's branding strategy, you can build a powerful, impactful brand that resonates with your audience and stands out in the market. Once again, I'm Wale Ordola from the Avenue 7, and this was our brand of the week. Please visit theavenue7.com for more insights and strategies on how to elevate your brand. Just like Dove, who redefined beauty, continues to empower individuals and inspires change, let's also continue to inspire change as well too. Until next time, see you later.